Starting off our video first thing in the morning. I'm getting up out of bed and I'll see you in just one moment. Now that I've got some sort of caffeine, let's start getting this house cleaned up and put back together. I had to turn the volume down on most of these clips due to the fact that I had copywritten music playing in the background. Maybe eventually I'll consider doing it without the music and see how that video goes. Now that I've got laundry going, let's go ahead and move into the bathroom. I tried really hard to make that really pretty toilet paper diamond. I don't think it worked so well, but we're going to clean the toilet and I'll be back in just one moment. Now that the ivory throne is cleaned, let's go ahead and get this sink cleaned up. It's kind of a hassle to try and get things put back together after high stress days, but I think it's worth it in the end to sit and look at the end results of all that hard effort and how much it pays off. In this particular clip, I don't know if anybody out there knows who Carol Burnett is, but this is my rendition of Carol Burnett. Wasn't really feeling it today, and I'm going into the editing studio looking at this fit going, for the love of God, what is wrong with you? Okay, now that we got that done, let's go ahead and mop the floor and then move into the next section of this cleaning adventure. For anyone wondering, I did get those clothes completely washed. I just didn't feel it important to put into this video. I found some leftover carpet stuff from ages ago and decided to make the hallway smell good. I'm using my superpower called Flash Forward to get this done, so I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and end this night with cleaning up the living room. Waking up the next day, moving into the kitchen. Let's check out how everything turned out. So there's a video over here. If you like content like this one, there's a button over here. Click it. Thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Bye!